Hello and welcome back to the Maths and Physics blog. Today we're going to go over some scalar product, length and angle of two vectors. So we have these two vectors here. This is our question. Let x equal the vector 1, 2, 3 and let y equal the vector 0, 3 and 4. It says calculate the lengths of x and y and then calculate the angle between them. So what we're going to use, we have our scalar product here. This is a rule, and then we also have our length, which is just the square root of the scalar product of the vector itself. And then we have the cos. The angle between the two vectors is cos of theta equals the scalar product of them divided by the two lengths times together. So we're going to first start off by finding the lengths of each. So we know from our rule above that the length of this is equal to the square root of x, the scalar product of the two x's, which equals the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared, which equals the square root of 1 squared plus 4 equals 5, 3 squared is 9, so that gives us the square root of 14. Now we're going to have find the length of y, so we're going to have the square root of the scalar product of y, which equals the square root of 0 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared, which gives us 0 plus 9 plus 16, which gives us the square root of 25, which again we can just write that as 5 because we know that this one doesn't simplify enough. So now we need, in order for us to find the angle between them, we need to use this formula here, divided by their lengths, and then we can calculate that. So we have this at the top, which will be 1 times 0. This is just normal scalar product, 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 over our two lengths times together, which is root 14.5. Now this gives us 0, this gives us 6, and this gives us 12. So we get 18 over 5 root 14. Now in order to find the angle, we need to inverse cos of 18 over 5 times the square root of 14, which gives us, if we get our calculator here, cos of 18 over 5 root 14. Oh, my bad. There we go. We get 15.8163. So the angle between the two vectors is roughly 15.8 degrees. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.